my name's Jeff. I'm here with Fischer Nissan. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about this 2020 Nissan Titan SV, all the features it has, and what it can do for you. Alright, so inside the 2020 Titan, you've got all kinds of upgrades that the previous models didn't have. The first thing you're going to notice here is this 9-inch touchscreen. It has your navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AM, FM, satellite radio. You've got your dual air conditioner down here, parking assist. You've got a brake controller already built in with the tow package. This vehicle does have the comfort and convenience package, the tow package, the utility package. Pretty much everything you can get on an SV Titan this truck has. You'll see over here you've got your advanced driver assist display, intelligent cruise control, heated seats. You do get the 2 captain's chairs with the center console on this one. It's really just all around a great truck to start off with. You don't have to go with the higher trim levels to get all these cool features. Let me show you the back seat. Alright, so in the back seat here we have a couple different features. You've got your 110 volt 440 watt 3-prong outlet you can plug pretty much any standard plug into and run power to. You've also got your 120 volt standard charger outlet, as well as 2 USB ports. In the back seat here, you've got your ability to fold this up. There's a nice platform that folds out all the way across the back here, so if you need a nice flat surface to carry something, or you can flip this up, and you've got a nice storage area under that's lockable, so you can keep your valuables, weapons, whatever you want to keep in the car. Let's take a look at some of the rest of this truck. Alright, so on the back side of the truck here, you're going to see some features. You got this nice step that comes down real easy. Gives you an easy way to get into the back of the truck without having to go up on the bumper here. You've got a rear sonar. You do have a class 4 hitch, 4-pin and 7-pin connector. Got an easy down tailgate. And you'll see in the back here, this has the spray and bed liner with the IntelliDraft system, as well as the Titan boxes. The Titan boxes are nice. They're a lockable, insulated system. They're also drainable, so you can use it for tools. You can use it as a cooler. All kinds of features. Back here also, it's pretty hard to see in the video. Back under here, there's another 110 volt 440 outlet. So if you have a drill or something, doing some work back here in the bed of the truck, you have the capability to plug things in as you need. I'll give you a walk around of the whole vehicle. You can see the truck in its entirety, and that'll be it for today. So here's the outside view of this 2020 Nissan Titan SV. You can see some of the changes they've done to it, like the grille there, the headlights. You have the front sonar sensors up front, new wheels. Has a new redesigned 5.6 liter V8, 400 horsepower, 413 foot-pounds of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This truck comes with a class-leading 5-year, 100,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Nobody else on the market carries that. Overall, just a great-looking truck, great new features on it. As I said before, this one has all of the different packages you can get on the SV model, the comfort convenience package, the utility package, the towing package, has everything. You don't have to pay the high price for the SL or the Platinum or any of those options. You can really get a nice truck for a little bit of money. If you want to come check this truck out, see it a little closer for yourself, my name's Jeff, Fischer Nissan. You can reach me 321-268-2000. Thanks for watching.